The United Nations Systems Staff College is a UN organization established in 2002 by the General Assembly to serve the personnel of the United Nations and its affiliates. With its headquarters in Turin and its second campus in Bonn, the United Nations Systems Staff College is a center of excellence for training and knowledge management within the UN system. Each year, the organization offers learning initiatives including residential courses, distance learning, strategic exchanges and seminars that reach over 10,000 beneficiaries. UNSSC's programs span across leadership, management, sustaining peace and sustainable development. Since 2015, all of UNSSC's learning and knowledge efforts have been geared towards enabling the UN system to address the challenges posed by the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The organization aims to contribute to a more effective, results-oriented and agile United Nations through learning, training and knowledge dissemination.